Greetings, National Federation of Democratic Women. Congratulations, outgoing President Barbara Faison. Thank you, convention co-chairs Virgie Rollins and Joanne Sullivan. And special greetings to our California delegation, led by Carolyn Fowler and Christine Pelosi. Democratic women, you are the energy of our party and the backbone of our campaigns. Most importantly, right now is our urgent campaign to save our health care and to save the America we love. The America where we respect our women and seniors, invest in our workers, uplift our children, welcome immigrants, and honor our veterans. Where our American safety net, Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, the ADA, and the Veterans PACT Act and the Affordable Care Act bind us together. Our phone banks to save Medicaid from devastating cuts by the Republicans that would rip away health care from 10.9 million Americans have generated over 140,000 calls so far. Since the Republicans' big ugly bill was passed by House Republicans and has gone over to the Senate, our volunteers have been calling into Missouri, where all of you are now. When we call, people are concerned that they haven't heard from FEMA since tornadoes and storms ravaged their towns. Our volunteers have been trying to connect them to their representatives and senators to help them access vital resources. That is why it's so important that people have these lifelines. Unlike the Republican senator from Iowa who dismissed her constituents' concerns about losing life-saving health care by saying, "We are all going to die." Democrats know that. At the minimum, our job is to help our constituents live and thrive. Friends, you are gathering as our country marks two milestones this weekend. One, an international milestone, is the anniversary of D-Day, when American military service members fought and sacrificed for freedom and the ideals that we cherish. It remains our responsibility to build a future worthy of that sacrifice, of the vision of our founders, and of the aspirations of our children. And two, speaking of our children, it is also an auspicious time as we mourn and raise awareness of the thousands of children killed every year by gun violence. As we were orange for gun violence prevention this weekend, we also pledged to protect our children. And that's why we need you to organize, mobilize, engage, and win the fight against the deadly Trump-Musk budget passed by Republicans in the House. Nonpartisan experts have said this horrible bill will close rural hospitals, shut down community health centers, slash veterans' benefits, and end life-saving care for persons with disabilities, women, seniors, and family members who need the lifelines of our American safety net. But we don't agonize, we organize. So I join all of you, energized, motivated women ready to organize for our democracy. That is what we're fighting for. That's why we are Democrats. That's why we are activists. That's why I know that working together, we will win. Because when we fight, we win. God bless you all, and God bless America. Thank you.